Go for a ride. There's heaps of people here. What you call that? Harley people, a gang? Is that a gang? Or
No.
Hills Angels? Do you know
Aye.
that?
No.
Yung papaanda rin pala niya. Hindi siya masyado, Joel, not so loud because it's not really allowed here with the big exhaust pipe on it.
I can get more louder.
If you want louder, you can buy them, but then again, you have a permission, I guess, if you're allowed to put it on your bike. Otherwise, you'll be in deep trouble. Beautiful bike, I like it, Joel said.
I like your
Thanks,
saxophone.
Philip. Such a great gift. Yes.
What, the saxophone?
Yeah, this one. I had this for 22 years, 2 decades in a row.
Jeez, it looks like Jewel.
Did you hear that, Joel? Now this is Von Ryan, because he plays the flute.
Ah.
Yeah. See? Joel doesn't play a flute or even a mouth organ.
He plays the saxophone.
Thanks, guys, for sending the loves, the hearts. So let's play again. La la la, model. Yaw. Really? Me too. Ay, hindi ako marunong, Joel. Ay, iwan ko kung paano ko nagawa yung unang highlights ko. Hindi ko alam. Oh, kinain ni Lolo, Ed, habang nagla-live tayo. Gutom ata siya eh. Ang tusok na lang kinain niya. Walker Philip said he was obsessed with it. This one.
Me too.
Square right side. Sa iPhone. Ay, takot ako, Joel. Oy, baka ano pa ang mapindot ko. Iwan ko yung una kong highlight. Di ko nga alam eh. Bakit na-highlight yun eh. Tapos, anong gagawin ko? Gilid ng screen po ng naka-live mo pa na gadget. Ito nga, ang iPhone ko nga ang naka-live. Tapos pindutin ko yan, hayaan ko lang. Pabayaan ko lang. Pindot lang, okay. Kasi mag-i-end na ako eh. Sige, subukan natin ha. Gidaw.